First of all, download IELTS coaching application from Google Play Store. If you are an Apple user, then download My Institute app and enter code IELTS IELTS. On home page, click on Store and choose Speaking Booster. Click in Buy Now and pay online to unlock the book for next 6 months. And that's it, you're done.
To practice online for your IELTS preparation, contact us today. We have a wide range of online programs that you can choose from, and that would ensure your success in the IELTS exam in your next attempt.